The WinWin bot is the easiest to set up. You just have to basically go through your trading center. Once you're logged into your trading center, click on the WinWin tab. Then, click on Add Robot. You're going to give the robot a name. Select the exchange that you use, plus the API key that you've entered in the robot you're going to select. Will be the WinWin robot. Remember that it will require 0.175 bitcoins in your exchange to utilize the WinWin robot. After that, just click on Save. And then click on Accept. As I don't have 0.175 BTC on that exchange, there will be a reminder that it will require 0.175 bitcoins on my exchange. Otherwise, you are rocking and rolling. That robot will be turned on, and ready to work for you.